Ready, set, go. Sorry guys, I didn't. You guys can circle the answer. Okay. Let's have someone read. Let's have someone read. Let's have Bear. Bear, can you read the question for us?
How do most long plants and parent plants look alike? Very different.
Okay. How do most young plants and parent plants look alike? Are they exactly alike, very different, or similar? Everyone, let's circle the correct answer, and then I'll choose the one that gets circled the most. In 3, 2, 1, circle. Good job, everyone. Okay, let's have someone else read. We'll have MK, Minkong. Can you read the question for everyone right here? Boom. I can't hear you, Min Kwang. Oh, they muted, okay. Let's have Vivian. Vivian, can you read this for everyone? Vivian.
These all correct answer.
Okay, very good. So how can we find this parent? Observe this young plant and this parent plant. So let's look at the plant. Let's have a young plant and a parent plant. Now choose all the correct answers. What patterns do you see? What patterns do you see? You guys circle. So guys, circle the answers, okay? In 3, 2, 1, go. There's 2 correct answers. Can you guys circle the answers? What patterns are the same? What patterns do you see that are the same? Good job, Vivian. MKB, very good. Bilo, very good. Bear, great job. QK, great. Bear, great job. You guys want to write nice circles, okay? I'll show you an example one more time because you guys made that pretty messy. You guys want to draw nice circles, and if you're using the drawing tool, just try your best to draw a single circle like this. Just a single circle will work, okay? Nothing like this, no scribbling, okay? This looks really, really bad. So let's see if your answers are correct. The leaves are the same shape, and their leaves are purple and black. Oh, you guys got it correct. Good job. Mr. Pokemon is doing great. Okay. Let's have someone read our next question for the class. Let's have Tung. Tung, can you read the next question for us? Tung?
Kate
Yep.
sees a young plant in the park. She wants to find an adult plant that is the same kind of plant. What should Kate look for?
Thank you. That was great reading. What should Kate look for? She's trying to find that adult plant. What should she look for? Okay. So let's choose. Let's make these. You guys can choose between option 1, 2, and option 3. 1, 2, and 3. I want you guys to yell as loud as you can. 1, 2, and 3. And whoever is the loudest is the one I'm going to select. Okay. So in 3, 2, 1, yell out which answer you think it is.
3 and 2. 3 and 2. 3 and 2.
Okay, guys, we can only select one answer. I'm hearing a lot of double numbers like 3 and 2. Only one of them is correct. Is it A, plant that is the same size? The second one, a plant with leaves that are like the young plant's leaves? Or 3, a plant with the same number of leaves? Which one is it? 1, 2, or 3? There's only one correct answer. Vivian got it correct. She texted me in chat. Guys, if you ever want to tell me an answer in chat, I can read chat as well, but Vivian got it correct so far. I'm going to unmute everyone. Remember, yell options 1, 2, and 3. Whichever one's loudest will be our winner. In 3, 2, 1, go.
2. 2. 2.
Okay, I heard the number 2 was the loudest. So boom, let's see if it's right. Oh, 2 is correct. 2 is correct. Good job. Oh, we have matching. This is saying which plant is the parent of each young plant. Match the young to its parent. Now, it might have been hard for you guys to read this, but we're going to match either picture A and D and picture C and B, or we are going to match picture A and B and picture C and D. Let's check our answer. So let's go look for A and D and C and B. I'm going to match these and see if it's correct. Okay. So let me select. So we have A and D. A and D. Let me make it a little bit thicker real quick. And let's get some bigger. There you go. A and D and B and C. Now I want you guys to yell again. Is this correct? Yes or no? Is this matching done correct? Yes or no? In 3, 2, 1, go.
Yes. 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 Yes.
Yes. Okay, everyone was saying yes. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's choose this one. A and D and C and B. Let's go. Let's see. Oh, you guys got it correct. Oh, we're in the lead. We're in the lead. Mr. Pokemon is in the lead. We're on top. We're number 1 right now. Okay. Which statements are true? Which statements are true? So this word true. This is the word true, which means that it's correct, that it's right. Okay, something that is true. Okay, which statements are true about tulips? Remember, before we answer this, let me remind you what tulips are. Tulips are what? What type of plant is a tulip? What type of plant is a tulip? Ang2, what type of plant is a tulip?
No.
Is it a tree? Is it a bush? Is it a flower? What type of plant is a tulip?
A flower.
Ah, yeah. MK got it. It is a flower. It is a flower. Remember, the tulips were the flowers that were like white, purple, red, orange, yellow. It's the picture of all the flowers that were different colors, okay? So let's circle. Actually, I'm going to call on 2 different people. There are 2 correct answers. Who would like to read the first correct answer? Who wants to choose the first correct answer? Let's have Duke Tree. Duke Tree. What is one of the correct answers?
Tulip flowers can be different colors.
Okay, I'm going to select it. We'll see if you're right. We'll see if you're right. And then let's have Bilo. What's the other correct answer? Are all tulips red? Are all of them red? Or are some tulips taller than others?
Some tulips are taller than others.
Okay, so we have their answers. We have their answers. I hope, guys, cross your fingers. I hope they are correct. Ready, set, go. Oh, they got them correct. Good job, boys. Good job, boys. Oh, we're all done. We are all done. Very good. Very good. New lesson. Let's all read the title together. Let's all read the title together. Okay? We're going to start with this. We're going to read this together. I'm going to make sure I highlight it so you guys all know what we are reading. What we are reading, okay? This is what we're going to read together. Okay? So, I'm going to unmute everyone. Don't start reading yet. Do not start reading. I'm going to count us down. Everyone can unmute. Everyone,
How do animals yourself?
good job, everyone. How do animals look like their parents? Let's look at our first two animals. Are these animals the same kind or different kind? Hongqi, are these animals the same kind or different kind?
These two animals are the same kind.
Oh, they're the same kind. Okay. Can you tell me what is one similarity? What is one thing that is similar about these animals?
They both have the same color of fur.
Good job. Who wants to share another one? Let's have Bear. Bear, can you tell me something else that is similar? Look at their body parts. What body parts are the same?
I don't know.
Look at their body parts. Choose one. Is it their ears, their nose, their eyes? Which ones look the same? You can choose any body. Yeah, the ears. Oh, Bear got it. The ears look the same. Good job. Let's have QK. QK. Can you tell me something that is the same?
The ear, the face.
Their face. Their face is the same what? What would we say? The same. Oh, you muted. We could say it's the same shape. Their faces are the same shape. We had their ears, their faces, and honestly, they are the same kind of animal. Are these animals the same age? Yes or no? See if you could write me in chat. If you have chat open, write to Mr. Connor, yes or no. Are they the same age? And I'm going to look at who can answer chat first. MKB, are they the same age? Vivian, you said they're the same age? MK said no. Vivian said yes. Ang2 said no. QK said no. Okay. Oh, Vivian has changed her answer to no. Okay. If they're not the same age, which animal is older?
The under one.
The what?
The under one.
The one that's underneath? Yep.
Yeah.
How do you know it's older? How do you know?
It's bigger.
It's bigger. Very good. Yes, the bigger the animal is, it's probably older. Animals of the same kind usually get bigger the older they get. Think about your parents. Are you as big as your parents? No, you're not as big as your parents, but one day you guys might be the same size. I am taller than my dad. And my mom. But when I was your age, when I was in first grade, I was much, much smaller than my dad and mom. I was the same size as you. When Mr. Connor was in first grade, I was the same size. You guys, some of you might have been taller than me. Some of you guys might be taller than me. Okay? But animals get bigger as they get older. So the smaller animal is usually the what? The smaller animal is usually the youngest or the oldest. The smallest animal is usually the youngest or the oldest. Who knows? Let's have Tron. Tron, which one do you think is smaller, the youngest one or the oldest one?
The youngest one is smaller.
Yeah, then the older one. Do they have the same parts?
I think no.
Do they have the same arms, the same feet, the same nose, the same eyes? Do they have similar parts? Do you have similar parts as your parents?
But I don't think they are the same.
No, they're not the same, but are they similar? Are they sort of the same? Do they both have arms and legs and ears and eyes and nose?
Yes.
Yeah, good job. Yeah, they have similar parts. They have similar parts, just like you and your parents. You guys have similar parts to your parents. Your parents have ears, and you have ears. You have a nose, and your parent has a nose. Okay, that is good. So that's what we're going to be learning about in this lesson. How do animals look like their parents? Now, I'm going to go over your homework. You have some homework for this weekend, and we're going to go over it together. We're going to go over it together. So let me stop the share. Animals look like their parents. Now, this is what we would discuss during class. If you want to relook at this, you can at home, okay? But for your homework, you can choose any animal you want. Any animal you want, your favorite animal. It could be the one you wrote about, or it could be something new. It could be like a tiger, a shark, okay? A whale, okay? It can be any animal you want. It can be on land, it can be in water. Choose any animal you want, and you're gonna have to look it up. You're gonna have to look it up to see what the young looks like. This is the young. So I looked up 2 pictures. You're gonna have to type into Google, oh, what does a young whale look like? What does an adult whale look like? Okay, so you got to figure out which animal you want to do. Okay, so these are our 2 animals. This is our young animal, and this is our adult. So after you choose your animal, you have to write its name. Let's write its name. Okay. What are these animals called? I'm going to lower everyone's hand. Does anyone know what this animal is called? Does anyone know what this animal is called? Raise your hand on Zoom if you know what this animal is called. Hong Chi knows, Vivian knows, QK knows. I'm going to let Vivian do it because she chose this as her favorite animal. Vivian, this is what Vivian drew last class, okay? So Vivian, what animal is this?
It's a flamingo.
Yeah, good job. I chose your favorite animal. This is a flamingo. Let me type it real quick. We got flamingo. Oh, it's pink too. My writing is pink. Okay. Once you get the animal name, you need to write down at least 3 similarities and 3 differences. So let's do that now. What is something that is similar between these animals? Similar. Bao Han, can you tell me something that is similar? What is something that is the same or similar?
Yes.
Okay, so which body part is similar or the same? What do you see in both pictures that is similar?
Not sure.
Okay, let's think about it together. So let's look at both pictures. So I'm going to highlight a part. Look at these and look at these. They both have what, Bao Han?
They both have legs.
Yeah, what type of legs? Are they long or short?
Long.
Yes, long legs. Good job finding a similarity. Very long legs. Good job, Bao Han. Okay, bear. Can you tell me something else that is the same? Bear. Can you tell us something else that is the same? What else is the same? Or you can tell me something.
Long legs.
Yeah, we already did long legs. What else? You can tell me something that is different too, Bear. You can tell me something that is different. Help you out, Bear. Do they have the same shape or a different shape?
Different.
Different shape? QK. What is similar and what is different?
The different is the beak.
Their beak. And what's different about their beaks?
The one that is the adult is the longer beak and the smaller beak.
Okay, perfect. I'll write that down. Okay. Let's say the adult has a bigger beak. The adult has a bigger beak. Very good. Okay, let's have someone else go, and we'll almost be done. Let's have, what is something that is similar or different, or differences? Similar or different? What is something that is different? What is something that is different? Give me something that is different. Look at both of their bodies, look at their color, look at their size, look at their shape. Is there anything that is different or the same?
Leg.
Their legs? Yeah, their legs are the same. We already had someone say that. What else? What else is something that is different, though? What is something that is different? Okay, I'm going to have one of your classmates help you. How about Vivian? Vivian.
The fur is different.
Yeah, the feathers. The feathers are different. Very good. Feathers. Anything else, Vivian, that is the same or different?
They have the parrots have pink feathers. The baby flamingo has gray feathers.
Yeah, very good. They have different colors. They're different colors. So you just have to write color, different color. Good job. And then I'll give you guys some more that are the same. Before class ends, I'll give you guys some that are the same. Okay? They have the same shape.
In size.
Yep. Oh, different size. Very good. Different size. Oh, I'll show you guys what it should look like when you're finished. Okay? Boom. You guys should draw. You guys need to draw your animal, draw the young flamingo, and draw the adult flamingo. But guys, if you choose a different animal than me, choose a different animal, like a shark, tiger, whale, choose a different animal. But for our example, I drew a young flamingo and adult flamingo. You then write the name of your animal, and then you write down the similarities and then the differences. And you need at least 3 similarities and 3 differences. You do not need to write full sentences. If you want to, you can, but just make a list like you see here. This is exactly like your homework should look, and you can use any piece of paper you want. But you guys have Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So I expect you guys to have really good drawings and make sure to add color. Color your drawings, please, so you guys have some beautiful animals to show to class. We will present these on Monday, okay? I'm going to choose some of the best ones, and you guys can show them to class. You can show them to the class, okay? But that is it for your homework. I hope you guys have an amazing weekend. I'll see you guys all together, okay? Bye-bye, everyone.
Goodbye.
Have a good weekend.